Da Apostle Dr. Nite Kotegwa CBM so din kranshan sam no abraye ni asamo mwakwa ba mamwache edema Badwam TV Badwam so de edu so ne Badwam kase sam no ne etodwa omu bi ya wo betini Health Facilities Regulatory Agency ene me kase wo mabo awura Accra Mall Health center bi e wo horo wakotum edo ne nsem bi na no pay Bede browse Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook /Adom TV Extra. Go TV 119, DSTV 280, ko YouTuber. Search Adom TV Tube. Nekwa adomonline.com semi eni sembe brain so wo ho. Fasida Mama Joy. Majoy Trish. Won tadi ba akudi midi afia amankwa tamaklu afia ni de mientie se den semni chemu etie. Health Facilities Regulatory Agency and a life Healthcare Center wa Accra Mall womatum fi so womu ye adwuma woni tumi krata na womu tumi krata ye de ma womu no ema edadi pefe hunu nura e wo ho ene ne ma womu ede ye adwuma na so mbowura ho no na je so wonto musi wo ho ntine wonu matuma kase no etwasoe
Health Facilities Regulatory Agency Trinity Hefra eni akwakoto Life Healthcare Center eno ewo Accra Mall emu a wonsem nyina ne se wonmo edi dwuma abra wonmo eni tumi krata we na Hefra echire mu dia sa tumi krata se wonmo enye ebedi ho adanse se wonmo fidi ahodo a wodi di dwuma wonmo ho akonya se wonmo ediye sanso so ena pomodin adwumayefo enso emprempren die enforcement team a Hefra 4 ate enam emiaya hodo ewo nkramantim hase ya wonmo hwehwe pomodin mi ayahodo tumi krata wonomo edidi dwuma na wa obekire wa woni bi no wonomo ebetumo ensem ya wode tudwa enie
Number one, we are looking for two things. One, your license, current license. All these are expired 2025. So you are invited to the office and giving this. You're going to pay. All the three branches are without licenses. So we are from here, we are going to all the branches.
Yanto so na Foods and Beverages Association of Ghana so Edwon Krata koma ye mampani John Dramani Mahama say na fuaduasan wode mano won launch presidential compacts ema ECG4 na enchire kwan ya omfa so tumu ene wo mutumu ensunso aso ede ba Ghana fo ni nyumafo bi te se wo mu so Adom kase etwa so
let us also congratulate the police system for being professional and deciding their responsibility. We also take this opportunity to congratulate the attorney general who has facilitated all this. We will see you in court tomorrow. Well, the charges are in mining areas, mining without license and all that, but we will discuss that tomorrow in court. But let me commend all of you. And Chairman has been, as you have seen.
Wofsha emretiemu no tariff increment no e kosoro dodo. Ase yehu time ebe ende. Na de tariffs na yetua sisi ano. Ye de yenim se yetua economic price. Yetua no e se nketimi ye adwuma ema ECG any other utility providers no. De edi enya any inefficiencies any corruption e was institutions mu.
If for being a son in Simbi etudwa edifa krono a kame say ECG4 edebo o mangana F4
munna muji tum say Ghana enobai na ye manufacturers no de ba no enye competitive ni bo na edin intercontinental free trade area ensem ba ye na no Ghana ye ne awe ye ntimi nto ye number no ye ntimi mfa nkotogompu ene ye de akokenya let us say your high cost of doing business in here too high, especially with regard to utilities, you know. Until a year, so buying before a buying and got what the butai, our 24-hour economy. You can see industrialize it through 24-hour economy. Then, who the negative effects of ECD. There's a book will be any able.
Enrada eye MPP amanyoko dwamtenani wa Santemantemo chairman wuntumi to a eye attorney general by lawyer penny eto ne safro no ode ose ye ekokopie mu awi akire no ye ma no eye bail condition 1 million bail na wonfa ejinamu mienu nso enka ho ni nyina mu nso no wo hwe ni mu nso obakopie eye court efa ne mining company no ho charges anase ho to me krata no ne ade no Okwakopie ho de koso e wo ho nra eni.
Let us also congratulate the police system for being so professional and deciding their responsibility. We also take this opportunity to congratulate the attorney general who has facilitated all this. We will see you in court tomorrow. Well, the charges are in mining areas, mining without license and all that, but we will discuss that tomorrow in court. But let me commend all of you. And Chairman has been, as you have seen.
And which Chairman want to me, Emranimni, as I didn't say to censure for any.
The object is that we will go to court tomorrow. We're going to get ready to go to court. We say thank you to all of you who have been here with us. And let us also congratulate the police system for being so professional in the discharge of their responsibility. We also take this opportunity to congratulate the Attorney General who has facilitated all this. We will see you in court tomorrow.
Yoguso ayo CID enwan so yenim se kane aban lawyer Penny Godfred Badwam ono so ekokopie mu ewo ho na wono so no yeja no se wonko na emombere bia wo mu ehia no no obeto won sade afre no na fei ono so aba abeto ansem no so
Kanu Attorney General na Minister for Justice Godfred Badwam bepo mu wa CID headquarters zo ne ban yi there Assembly time and no ye Attorney General no uzi fa ambulance atofo in case no no ura pa na no wom ozo gwa there ehwe kwana Badwam fa do na nka opado chinchim ne nsa ewo evidence bi anade nsem bi a okopo mu court na ontwa yi ntonam do za abra CID there want to na no na so uzi fo mu a woma mbra no nyini nsi ono na onam do ama obopo mu ha na anope ya oba ya CID mpemfo wototo na ano no bibiara abawie ya weja ne donko na obasa na friend na nkitamuzibu wo a wotum watoado owie no nde oreba ne ze aloya fu bebre na woburu eduaso 70 na wezi na chira wobe nka no Deputy Attorney General asonaba da pazi tu gade ze okodo no te oyaza wo hwe yim de za CID funu wa hyase no wogbewie ne ye
What be planting the chila hibiscus. But then you see this for here. Then they get generality and I am meaningful and yes I know about it. There is a general for us. So we have a woman saying I am lawyer for it and as we are left 8 million and would you say a child the baby said in Nasrobia in Sabia
on it you know MPP Mranyimi Frank Davis to go there. Ono says our all coding no on pede obezin can abo charge bia na asem no afe na wa frɛ we tu ahaw asem no nti o hwɛ yim there wa frɛ ne say was the one ginado yin ababa na we tu we asem ni
we were assisting the police with their investigation so it is early days yet so I don't want to preempt anything about charges we just came here to honor the education. We are looking forward to what they will have to say subsequently. At least we have also told them what we know about the complaint. So we're waiting for them.
Kojo mensa abrampa na mensebo.
Kwawuhene da sebre ku aboabo te otoso miensa na nani abresa krodom kasetia GALAMSEY ya ekoso ewo Kwawuhene mpotemu na wo se won sase emenu nti enyansunsanso bone won sase eso no na akasa ono mu bedi ne nyonyonyonyonyonyo emunsam enie
onfo a eseye mehu ena sene mante ne ma mante ne eye GALAMSEY ewe asase nyanso mehu bebre na wo hu bia hono bom oma say nsuo no na ka bom anke bedua emo meka ye se zoom lion ka se ko bia fra buchaba on bedua mo bom Ghana nyina na ya nko import emo so asase mo say nyina anyegu so Kwawuhene nyame nchadom ema bebre sa misra ban misra srafo ko mam se omo nsori omo mo ho ban mai
Eho na oba himari Kwawuhene traditional area nana ajoaje mfoto so miensa enso dia disre eto aban mu sada Roma
ma pani ene ne panifo ya hade ntimi se ni bebre ntianse bebre no na ka omo aboa yen na yetu ase na ntimi ame ha ya adwen se ne a nkrofo adwudu ayi anyina mu a utumi hu se ayo hawo pa yem penisa wa ha nti o meboa yen na
Vice Chancellor Walker University Ghana Brigadier General Professor Daniel Obiofori and our day to University Teachers Association of Ghana Civil Society Organization any stakeholders who do a kahun say strike a pit and a mokwa aban betimi ashare waka na galamsey na aba form ti ene onfanfa ho emunsem ene.
For me, I think that we must continue to put pressure on those who are supposed to take important decisions to take those decisions, because this galamsey is affecting everybody. Very soon we'll be importing water. There will be no food because there will be no land to grow food. So it is a collective pressure that you have to put on the politicians who have to take the decision. And I think that everybody is not only the bishops. I think the TUC, the Ghana Medical Council, the nurses, everybody, the UTAC must stand up to fight against this. Otherwise, I don't think that without pressure, they will not yield. And we have to put pressure for them to do it. Otherwise, with the nation, we are just destroying our country. If everybody, all the TUC, everybody goes on strike, the government will do something. Actually, that's what the government understands, because now all the persuasions are failed. The statements, the pressure, Aluta. So we must continue to put Aluta. We must. All citizens, not only FC. If they know that everybody is involved, everybody is fighting for it, I think they will change their mind. And so everybody, all citizens, from the child to the school children, everybody must see it as a duty, because it's the way they are destroying the water bodies, the environment. It's a very serious matter that we shouldn't take it for granted. So for me, everybody must be involved.
Kento akasiano eso na eye nkoko district court na de abamu mfiadronu baako a waye galamsey yibi akọ twere aposifo ekukumo ni nyina ne se yesusu se maami bia wanya mfiadronu emienu abranti ye kunakwi obri okwawu behinase kasiene ni
Samuel Labi edi mfinhia aduonu baako na oye obi a fa kwambone so tufumagudi galamsey yibia court wa hye no so wamrai na November bosome de etoso miensa no na omedina sem wasem a da ho no mo se wono akwakuku maami bia wanya mfinhia aduonu mienu ya ofre no akua wobri okwawu behinase asemi amakurom ho ayebeja ya abusua ya wonde hye ato nananom wansi adui ene enkokwa aposifo etwene tare ni nyane se wonom je abusua no Ghana sidi no empimdu mienu ansa no matumi apaapae ehunu adekopoti ya ikun no nanso abusuafo yi enye sasika ntua afi no matumi atue mu Ghana cedi empim mienu nkokọ police pani chief superintendent Kwache Victor eno de atudwa se odikan ebo abusua na mane e wonema bi esese wonom ya ansa na wapapa wonde hye no ya onom entwa sika bia emfama wonom.
Mami nyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay ye de asie mrani adaje nti ye da se wadaro masaka ye hu biemu na yemfa agudie mu nsam ene de bonkrata Adom online ene health tips no ento so emfama ye da mo se papa patitu no wa fei na wode afidie no ato ha na dia edika toto nwum no 5:30 ni aba bonnwum sa ti 5:45 the apostle Dr. Nita Ekote Guba na wabɛhyehyɛ yɛn nkura owie a news no na to aso yi tie no ne yakɔ wie ya madaroma emema papa bi gyina wɔ nan so adom na adom wonti nam dua bi bia yɛ kama omanim so ayɛ kama tade ɛsɛ ɔmo so ani da ho pa ɔwa bɛka me ho agya yɛde sports ɛne ne aka no ɛto aso adɔfo mema mo akɔ abɛ
yɛjo so
sɛ bibia bɔkɔ
nyame adom yɛte nkwa mu
deɛ pa ɛnɛ yɛ 7th
exactly 1 week into the 10th month
sir
yes
ɛnɛ 7th October ɛdɛ awurade ase
so kakra aka 3 weeks near the nsu agu
nyame adom nti
isia na odi kogu yi
ne wo ye no so wo pa akatua bi
ye no bende
it wo ye no odi kogu
kofia ne ba ko kofia wo de train no de ba ko ne train de na so aze aka 3 weeks de ba gogo
to mu na esa ntino
boy
na kwasibisi da be ena no Sunday no
yeah
kwaso na me share maame abasirwa bi na kosinse ese mu wie dame na yenso ye bo ampene
oh my goodness
ese ya touch ampe to dame
am say ese no so ye hwe e dey wie dame ese hwe ampene so
be ko ka kire mpanifo na ya hwe muso bo ampene so ya hwe de ye betimi aye ho de am
interestingly okopie mu wo sa Olympic Games ni ade agoni bi ho ahu a e manwa
yeah
enti I think
ba ko na ye de you tune me re fit umpo de ya box no one ye na 2 3 na mse 4 middle 5 6 o nyira ye ja na ya cartoons
asoba now
menti di no me re fit samples de
ache
agro
ne be ampe de ye hwehwiri ne ebo
oh akwasi wuni magro
okay
oh for bro the challenge ne say obia ne say de o kan e
depend on
asante yo how e kan o tin krade no o kan me akra me hu bas mo hu agro ya
draw box
ne tui
otwa etoma no ahwire afa
oh
ese wade no
ya de nine ba ko
yes
no
ese wode wade ne to top box no se se
tele be sere mo se mo am hye dam ese mo hwa ampeni so
mo nya ampeni
na mesro wano so energy ampeni ho
na mo se sa agro we mu nyina na ampeni se na e form of exercise
oh yeah
o hwiri
so so na e ta gbo na nwumre to wadidi awie no na dia bom to wi na akwakoda
ba won se e wo school me kai pa
oh yeah
ye shanda we foforo na e white ni
na kosro
na dia ye na adia ni show na say yeah we need abrambo ana ayi ba ko na ye so no
asoba okwachi osoro ne ye nya ba
tu se ne me nyina gu abon say ge we ye need we nyina ye dai mo famra me say dam ya ba aso ne ya mpa nyina o se ye huri
Rebecca wa ba
no say ye betimi ye huri abodi ayi aso yi
ba bo
ni akwasi enye mu wa
well but I said that